10 ways permaculture is going to change your life. Number 8, circle garden. We teach about circle gardens on permaculture courses because it's an introduction to the idea of plant guilds. It's essential to realize that plants are not individuals. They don't act individually. They sort of more think of it as a teamwork. They're working with soil microbes to create the right conditions for them to grow. Deep rooted plants bring up humidity and minerals that shallow rooted plants can't access. Shallow rooted plants help build the surface of the soil and protect what's going on underneath it. Plants work in teams or guilds. So when we build a circle garden, again, we might actually excavate a hole which allows surface water to flow in. All plants need water. If water is percolating deep into the ground, that will stimulate the roots to go down and to search for that water. We choose the plant that we want, that ultimately, whether it's a banana or a citrus or a fruit tree, but then we arrange other plants around it that's going to support that individual plants, maybe deep-rooted plants that can help access more nutrients. There's minerals and nutrients that have been washed deeper down into the soil. Pollinated plants that bring in beneficial insects, plants that help regulate other parts of the ecosystem. This is what we need to put into our circle garden to assemble plant guilds to enable plants to work together effectively as teams.